up fine. And then we drove it up there and back here, turned it off. Won't start. We're getting fuel.
Tractor won't start.
Tractor won't start.
I'm kind of just echoing you there.
Check a spark plug, see if there's any spark. Just about ran the battery. Here we are trying to start the tractor that mysteriously stopped after we drove it into this little patch of bush. It's actually a grey Fergie of some distinction. It's number 401 of a production of 65,000. That's a bit of a relic.
It's a wonderful little thing. So here we're trying to see if there's any spark. Now I'm just taking the spark plug out, and then we're going to earth it on the chassis somewhere and see if she sparks.
And of course, unbeknownst to us, much later on, we discovered that it was a crack in the distributor cap, but right now we don't know that.
Yeah, there was a bit of water getting into the, what are they called, the contacts?
Yeah, the breaker points, the points. Because the grey Massey Ferguson invented 3-point linkage, which is the levers in the back, driven by hydraulics in the back gearbox or the differential, and that revolutionised farming. Just about every tractor nowadays has 3-point linkage. This tractor came with a whole array of things: a chisel plough, a slasher, a grader, a moldboard plough, a carryall, and we bought it off this old fella called Marshall Phillips, who was 82 years old and about 5 foot tall with his hands up. Nick will tell you the story.
It was quite an adventure getting out there. Something like a 6-hour, 7-hour drive and over through. And when we finally got up there, it was, I think we were driving the Prius in there all through into this lovely little valley. And he was quite the goer, Marshall. Really short little fella, but he was trying to lift the implements on himself. You know, this massive bloody plough or something. Ahoy!
So we're just testing first to see if we can make the spark plug spark. As I said, unbeknownst to us, this wasn't actually the problem, but we maybe bumped the distributor cap while we were cleaning the spark plug and caused it to start.
Fixed it unintentionally. Yep, old Marshall Phillips tractor. He probably hasn't done any maintenance on it in 30 years.
Nor on any of the other things we got with it. We've had to recondition everything.
No, not till this then. Well, that could have been good.
Yep, he wasn't afraid of getting under that plough to lift it onto the
He must have weighed all of 50 kilos.
He did throw in a quad brake with the tractor. So. Ahoy!
There we go.